Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to talk about a big issue that comes after upgrading your Windows from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Well, that is when you open up your settings tab and you go to the security, nothing shows up. Okay, when you click on Windows security, it stucks right here, or if it goes further, it displays your blank screen. Okay, in my case it's showing the proper everything in the Windows security, but in your case it shows blank white page. Many solutions available on the internet and on YouTube that shows how to fix security issues in Windows 11, but none of them works for me. The only solution that works for me is your clean Windows installation. If you have upgraded your Windows from Windows 10 to Windows 11, it's gonna have some issues, some basic issues. That one of them is Windows security, but when you wipe your data and give it a fresh install, then your problem will be solved. Okay, the only solution that works for me is fresh new installation of Windows 11 on my PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful and you solved your problem, then hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Till then, bye bye.